Making memories with every mile, every mile.
Hello and welcome to Every Mile. Today we are here at Pigeon Point Lighthouse. This is one of my favorite views just north of Santa Cruz. Between Santa Cruz and San Francisco on Highway 1, there's this big, beautiful lighthouse. From what I understand, it's the tallest standing lighthouse in California. It is absolutely beautiful here. Unfortunately, today it is under construction a bit, but you can still see some of the beauty. It is a little windy, so they're taking cover. When we first moved up to this area, we came and we were just driving up the coast and we stopped by, and I got a picture kind of from this angle that I fell in love with. It was one of my favorite pictures of all time. We had it printed up. It's hanging up on our wall at home. I still absolutely love that photo, but this view is so pretty to me. It's just beautiful. So we just talked to one of the workers, and they are doing just some reconstruction on some of this stuff. They're going to be replacing some of the metal that's been rusted out. They've already painted this building as well as the center section right here. They're redoing some of the foundation as well as some of the brick around where the metal rings go on the bottom, as well as some of the stuff up here as well. It's going to be very beautiful. I guess there is another about year of construction going on. We're here in February of 2024, but it's still just such a beautiful place to visit. It is a free stop along Highway 1. Parking is free. The parking lot is pretty small, so it's kind of first come, first serve, obviously. There used to be more parking. What I remember, there used to be more parking kind of up the road, but it doesn't seem to be there currently. But free parking. Always like the free stops. This is the north side. Kind of looking towards Half Moon Bay. This is going towards Half Moon Bay and Pacifica and all that area.
Well, my thoughts on this place is that I just love the lighthouse. Like, I kind of like how it blends in with the ocean, the rocky shores, and the beach. I love the beach.
So we're gonna hop back on Highway 1, head up towards Pacifica. Thank you for coming with us on this stop. We'll catch you next time.